Bye. Okay. Say hi. Say hi.
Bye bye!
Go. Bye bye.
So we're heading to the SHIFEN Waterfalls. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Mura lang yung lunch namin. It's 350. Bali 500 kasama yung binili naming cuttlefish. So yung trek or walk going to waterfall mga ano daw 20 to 30 minutes. So we're trying to find the SHIFEN waterfall according dun sa nakalagay kanina sa ano, it's 0.75 kilometers, so it's less than 1 kilometer. Yan, so tamang tama yung mga walang ano exercise. 2 weeks na akong di nag-workout. Asan si Jeff Passion? Wala. Ay, ito. Oh, ninong mga patakla. Nanya? Ay, nina yung kaya. Fresh from the restroom. Toilets. SHIFEN waterfall. Bigla siyang na-disable dito sa Taiwan. Alright, we're heading to the waterfalls. Medyo malamig na yung temp dito. Kakatapos lang namin mag picture dito sa bridge, hanging bridge. Along the way going to the SHIFEN waterfall. So this is the second hanging bridge going to the SHIFEN waterfall. So doon kami nanggaling. Ganda nung falls. Nandito pa rin kami. Pahinga muna kami ng mga few minutes before we head back to the railway para pumunta ng JIUFEN. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. 2 p.m. Tapos sila update daw muna ng ano, mga Facebook and Instagram. Ang ganda ng madadaanan dito. Nature talaga siya.
Tapos karas mo kitang punta ng tipang entrance.
So going here, walang entrance na babayaran. It's totally free, which is really good.
Lahat may bayad. Pero wala namang improvement.
So far, ang ginastos pa lang namin yung train transportation. Mura lang. Yung lantern and lunch. We're trying their ice cream na may peanuts on the wrap. One. Four. So this costs $40. 40 each.
40.
So ito yung peanut ice cream nila dito. Very much after nagpumunta sa waterfalls. Salamat! So it's really raining now, and we just decided to take a cab going to JIUFEN instead of waiting for the bus. Medyo matagal kasi yung pag-antay dun sa bus sa Sumbunan. Medyo maulan dito sa JIUFEN. Papatila muna kami saglit. Ang mga basang sisir. So we decided to ride a taxi worth 250 Taiwan dollars. Mahinahan lang namin ng konti. Paglakad. Wala kasi kami baon na mayong or ring. Sila deficit. Matagal minto yung ulan, we decided to go back to the railway station and balik ka na Taipei main station going home.
Ay, toko deep.